Hey, it's Michael, and this is a review of a new microwave that we just got. We're doing a condo renovation, and we went to a appliance outlet place, and we got a really good price on this. I think it was $149. So here it is. It's a Samsung microwave. This is model ME16K3000AS, and it's a 1.6 cubic foot, 1,000 watt microwave. And, you know, it's just your pretty basic kind of a microwave, I guess. But we really like it because it's very quiet, and much more quiet than our previous microwave, like probably half as loud as the previous one. Now, it has these stainless steel filters that capture grease, and they can just go in the dishwasher. And then there's a light. It's a 2 brightness light. And I'm going to turn the fan on. That's high speed, and that's low speed. So that's the fan that's for the stove, for the range. And then when the microwave is operating, let me show you how loud that is. Let me see, I got half a cup of coffee here. Let me just throw that in there. I just want you to hear how quiet this operates. Now, I don't know if you can really have an appreciation for how quiet that is, but trust me, it really is quiet. And there's the stop button. So this is what the control panel looks like. You know, it has these cooking presets, and we actually use those, and they actually really work. And then they have some additional kind of preset things here, or guidelines on how to set things to do certain things. I'll just show you the label in case you want to see that. But another thing that's kind of nice is the glass tray that spins around is kind of flush with the bottom of the microwave. We really like it. Now, I did not install this myself. The place that we bought it installed it, so I can't really speak to how easy it is to install, but it didn't take them long to put it in, so that's all I can tell you. But really like it. It's very quiet. It's operating very well for us, and that's about it. Hope you found this helpful, and have a great day.